And developing tonight, the number of coronavirus cases in Nevada right now is approaching some 24,000, and there are still people ignoring the mask mandate. Well, thank you for joining us, everyone. I'm Todd Quinones.
And I'm Trisha Keene. There have been nearly 900 new cases since yesterday, and that's according to the State Department of Health and Human Services. In the last week, it has reported about 4,700 new cases. The week before, there were 4,500 new cases.
13 Action News anchor Jackie Kostick now explains the spike in cases is why Clark County officials are now doubling down on the mask requirement.
The main message out here today is that public health is not political, that no matter how you personally feel about this pandemic, it's not going away anytime soon. And if you want to stay healthy, if you want your family to stay healthy, and you want the economy to stay open, well, you must comply. And that starts with wearing the face mask. That means wearing a mask and wearing it the right way. So that should cover your nose, your mouth, and your chin. Now, the chief health officer for the Southern Nevada Health District cited new research released this week about the effectiveness of face masks. That research shows that wearing one can decrease the likelihood of transmission by 5 times. And when you combine that with other best practices like social distancing and washing your hands, well, the effectiveness is even greater. Chairwoman Marilyn Kirkpatrick says that when it comes to compliance, she's thankful for the businesses that have reopened and gotten people back to work while working diligently to protect people's health. And while the majority of businesses are working to comply, she says there are some that are still not.
Now, are there some businesses out there that are bad actors? Are there some businesses out there that are cutting corners? Absolutely, but they are not helping any of us for the long term to stay open.
Those new state compliance numbers came out just yesterday, and I asked the leaders out here today whether they could come out with more specific information about which businesses are complying and which are not. And they said once they have more information, they would be willing to do that. But again, the main message out here today is stay safe and stay open. Reporting, Jackie Kostick, 13 Action News.